Hello everyone, good evening. It is past 9 p.m. here, Thursday. Well, I just decided to go live, guys, because I'm just really grateful, guys. I'm grateful because of having a supportive community from our online business. Imagine, even though you don't have any experiences, even though you don't know them, as long as you reach out or you attend those Zoom meetings for your group or for others group, is you can still learn a lot of things. So I'm just really grateful, guys. This is the good thing about our online business. You'll never be alone on your journey. Kaya napakaganda po talaga. Kasi yung mga tao na walang experience o yung mga tao na hindi active yung kanilang mga mentor, they can still go ahead, do this business kasi they can join other group para mag-learn something about the business. So parang ano po ito, parang ang business na to hindi lamang sa flexibility ng time, hindi lamang sa financial security. Nag-gain din po kami ng mga friends dito and we became family. At tulad po ngayong araw na to, I've just been busy because I was talking to my mentees and helping them about their issues on their businesses. And also, I attended a Zoom meetings and I attended our Zoom meeting for our group leaders meeting. So, we discuss, this is where we discuss some concerns, some issues, and also some pointers that we can use for our business to be successful. So, yun lang po. Kaya po sa mga tao na nagda-doubt po kung you will be successful in this business, kung gusto nyo, kung mag-join po kayo, the answer is, don't doubt. You just need to make sure that you yourself want to do this business. Kasi kayo rin pong gagawa ng business nyo, pero naandito lang po kami para sumuporta sa inyo at mag-guide. It's still up to you. It's up to you pa rin kung paano po maging successful ang business. Yun po. So ngayon, gabi na po dito, katatapos lang po namin ng tsaka nagpahinga po ako. And ayun, I'm just having a tea before maybe mag-sleep na rin po ako maya-maya kasi ayoko pong napupuyat. Dahil every time na I will pass on sa time na I need to be sleeping, nahirapan na po ako. I have difficulty of falling to sleep. Dahil parang nalipasan na yung aking tulog. Ayun po. So, and since this is Thursday, guys, I just want to invite you again and again, to check this out. It's a good plan B para po magkaroon kayo ng extra income, and nang sa gayon is you can retire early kung gusto niyo po mag-retire early, kung napapagod na po kayo sa work nyo, or kung gusto niyo na lang pong mag-quit ng job nyo as soon as you have success in this business, or yung kung gusto nyo mag-spend more time with the family kasi flexible po itong business na to. So just register on my website, www.roselampilocchio.com. You will see from there the business overview of our online business. So yun lang po, and I hope you are having a lovely evening kung nandito po kayo sa Europe. And I know some of you are already sleeping kung nandun kayo sa bandang Asia. And kung nasaan naman po kayo sa bandang Canada and USA, I hope you're having a good day. So, thanks for watching guys and have a lovely day. Bye!